Hello and welcome back to the Veganist Pro Show. I'm your host Thomas Faulkner. Today we are making chocolate banana oat bars. Very delicious, very healthy, as always, and of course vegan. So our ingredients. Here we have, well, they were rolled oats. I've put them through the food processor and turned them into a flour, almost halfway there. In here we have bicarb, baking soda, salt and cinnamon. In here we have maple syrup, coconut oil and vanilla essence. Here we have 3 bananas, knife spoon, cake tin. First of all, we're going to put the dry ingredients into the food processor. Then we're going to add the wet ingredients. So let's prepare these bananas. Bin. Okay. If anyone has any recipes that you'd like me to show on the series, bad bit there, we can just pick that out. Then do just drop us a line or write in the comments below. Yes, there's no need to waste a whole banana because of a little bad bit. Dry ingredients in. Normally you just put your oats in there, whiz them up, but I've already done that. Bicarb, baking, cinnamon, and now we have coconut oil, maple syrup, and vanilla essence. This looks like a bit of a posh food processor. You don't need one that's expensive. Okay, and in go the bananas. There we have it, all good. Okay, so now that's done. I've pre-lined my baking tray here and I've set the oven to 180 degrees. And we're going to bake this for 15 minutes. So yeah, we'll take it up to 15 minutes. It shouldn't be cooked through completely, it should be moist in the middle. And then, of course, we have our chocolate and coconut oil glaze, which we'll put over when it's baked. Okay, perfect. They came out of the oven about 15 minutes ago. Just let it relax for a little bit, cool down so the chocolate will go on nicely. They were in there for about 20 minutes. I can see they're very nice, moist texture. Okay, so take it out of this. Okay, great. Chocolate banana oat bars. Come out of the oven, let it relax for about 15 minutes. It was in the oven for about 20 minutes. Now it's relaxed, good temperature. So we're going to trim it up and then we're going to put it on there and then glaze it with some lovely chocolate. Back in the fridge, let that set, and then it'll be ready. Oh, back to the rabbits. Okay, as always, all ingredients, nutritional information is below. Look at that lovely texture. Oh, so healthy, so not that expensive, so simple. Great for the kids, great for the adults. Bit of Jackson Pollock going on here, all right. Bit of leftover chocolate here. Give that to the fish. Okay, get that back in the fridge and then we'll have a little nibble. Chocolate banana oat bars just come out of the fridge. Looking beautiful, looking beautiful. Gonna put a little bit of cheeky sprinkles over them. A little bit of cheeky sprinkles. Now, obviously, you know, for recording purposes, I would have a crowd of ravenous children run in with beaming smiles and snatch them all up, but I don't. I just have the hungry crew downstairs. These are actually one of my favourite recipes. Okay, ciao.